Hello, my lovely friends. Today I have got a haul video. Melanie was a very naughty girl. And you're probably seeing this after the Santa video. And I'm probably on the naughty list. So, as some of you might be aware, Spellbinders has really good sales, and they did a BOGO offer. And I didn't do one order, I did 2 orders. So I'm telling on myself, but I had a really good reason. Their BOGO order is buy one, get one at equal or lesser value for free. So here's my train of thought. I don't want to buy a $26.99 item and get a $12.99 item for free. And if you put a whole bunch of items in your cart, you're going to get all the cheap stuff for free and have to pay for all the expensive stuff. And I'm a deal hunter. When I shop, I want the cheapest price. So I split it up into 2 orders. And both orders, I said I was on the naughty list. You heard that right? Okay. Just making sure. Both orders were free shipping. So for anyone that shops Spellbinders, you know what that means. I'm not going to say it. Okay. So I figured since it was a big order, I would share. Okay. So I have some $14.99 and less items from one order, plus some items I already had in my cart, like the missing BetterPress ink that I've already dived into. These were Flower Garden collection, which I'll show you momentarily. I was a little excited, can you tell? And this was the Desert Sunset collection. That being said, here they are. I got these nifty containers off of Amazon, and I will put this link along with all the other links down below. And as you friends know, they are affiliate links, and I do make a small commission off of those links. I want to be open and aware, so you guys are aware of that. It does not cost you anything to shop through them, but I do appreciate it when you do. So I will leave these links and the other ones down below. And these are actual for archival storage, but Ranger makes the BetterPress inks also, so they all fit. So I went ahead and added them to my original 2 color palettes. And so the new colors are Wild Berry, Apricot, Azalea, Tuscan, Leaf, Hydrangea, Coastal, I believe, and Clay. So those are the new colors in my new pretty cases. And then this one this was in my cart already. This one wasn't a BOGO. But this one had been sold out since it came out. BetterPress is like uber popular. So this one had been sold out because it's a one press, one cut wonder. So you press it all and then you die cut it all. One pass. So I grabbed that when it got restocked because I missed it the first time. So this one has a whole bunch of really good sentiments. I like sending you strength. And I love Handmade for You. That's really cool too. Feel better soon. I like that one. You brighten my day. Welcome little one. I don't have baby ones, so that was a really nice one. So I got that. And then I've been trying to get staples, like ones for framing. So I went ahead and grabbed the Everlasting Squares and Circles. These were the more expensive ones. So I think I got, gosh, it was like either 8 or 10 of them. of different of the more expensive ones, but you know, when you get them at half price. So I got the everlasting squares, and look at how many you get. Love it, love it, love it. And I like to use the really small ones for sentiments, but then make frames and stuff out of the largers. So got those two. And then I got the matting A2, A and B, and I actually got the wrong one, so I wanted to educate you guys on this. I got the wrong one here. This precision, the precision one is the one I meant to get A and B. So I'm going to be exchanging this one with Spellbinders. I've already contacted them about it. But this one, it says here, you want to get S5487 and S5494. This one is S5131. So this was an older set, I think. So you want the larger numbers, 494 and 487. So you want the larger numbers. But the idea is that if you have this one set, it does 1/8 borders. But if you have the other set with them together, you can do 1/16 inch borders. Precision, like precisely. So, and I love me some thin borders. So I got that one. And in a future purchase, I'll get the A7 ones. But for now, I'm making more A2 cards, so I went ahead and just got these this time. Then the one collection that I love that I did not have was Stylish Ovals. So I went ahead. Am I missing the... Where did the actual oval go? Oh, here it is. So this is the actual oval, the essential oval. And that's just like those other ones. There's a whole bunch of them, but sentiments. Love this for sentiments. So I wanted options since I'm designing a lot of cards and I didn't have a whole bunch of the layering. So I got this one. And then I think I got the whole collection actually, because it was all, this was the first time I had ever seen it on sale. And just so any of you know, if you're watching this and you don't know me, I have a Facebook group called Heartfelt Card Making with Spellbinders and More on Facebook. And I always try to let my peeps know when the best deals are around. But most importantly, I also try to keep up with when collections go on sale for the first time. This was the first time I had ever seen this one. Of course, I'm not perfect, but I do try to keep up with it so that you guys know. So if you're like me and you kind of wait, you don't always buy like when it's released, because I understand people are on budgets, you know, these days, and you can't buy everything you want when it is released. And you know, you need to be a thrifty shopper. So if you like to know when the best deals are, feel free. I also let people know about scrapbook.com and Simon Says Stamps, you know, some of the popular places. If I see something that's a really good deal, I try to let people know, like 50% off or free shipping, things like that. So I don't say every 10% or 20%. I don't announce every single thing like that. The big ones. And then a lot of Spellbinders. So anyways, so this is the Essential Stylish Ovals. And then these are the foiling plates that go with it. They also have a butterfly plate that came with it. And you can foil this as a background, but then you can also die cut some of those butterflies out as well. Looking forward to playing with that. Then these are the two. And this one has a die that cuts out this sentiment there. And that has little butterflies on it too. That's cute. So that will fit inside one of those ovals. And then this one with the bird also fits inside the oval. But it also came with a stencil. So you see in this case, if I didn't divide my order up, I would have paid whatever this was, probably $24.99. I'm just guessing, but this was, you know, foil plates expensive at regular price. So at a buy one, get one free, I would have paid $24.99 and gotten a $10 stencil for free. But because I broke it up, I got, a $10 or $12 item for free when I bought a $10 or $12 item. So that's why I broke my order up into 2. So I'm really looking forward to stenciling. I've never stenciled a foiled item before, so something new for me. So this one here also, it's a mirrored image, so you'd stamp it twice, but then that cuts it out. It's got some really pretty sentiments also. And then this I found interesting. This is the stylish oval. So that goes in the oval. Let's show it. Yeah, that goes in the oval. But then look at this one. Look how close they are. One's bigger than the other. It's similar, which I didn't realize it was so similar, but one's bigger than the other. They are different, but similar. And the sentiments are different. But this one goes with the 4-petal collection, which I have the basic die for here. I already had it. But I didn't buy this one when that collection came out. So this can fit in here, but look at the shape of it. I should be able to also fit it in here, which means this one will probably also fit in one of these, I'm thinking. So I'll have to mix and match those and see if they actually mix and match. But I like the idea that this one is large enough to put the sentiment in the center. So I thought that was really neat. And, they were buy one, get one free. So it came out, what, $6 or $7, I think, each. And then one of the bells of the ball of this collection is the floral, of course. This is one of the ones that you build, and you have the circles that you build the flowers onto. Lots of greenery. Then you've got the hello sentiment. Hello, you. Yeah, right there. So that looks really pretty. And then this is a punch and pierce plate. So I got that one as well. So yes, naughty list. Naughty list. I hadn't had a big order in a long time though. So I splurged. This one here was in my cart. It's from the most recent BB Cameron's Snowflakes collection. I had not received this one when I got the snowflake items that I have already shown on my channel, but I wanted to get this because I love this sentiment size, and these look really useful for all sentiments. I mean, just look at some of those ones we just had here. Look at that. Those will be perfect in there. So any of your sentiments, I mean, those are going to be perfect in there. Those will make it look so good. And look at the little piercing around it. These could not be a better size. I wasn't 100% sure on the sizing. And these were very affordable. They're called pierced mini labels, but look at the detail. So, and we don't have something like this, so I really like that I got that. And this is part of the sealed collection, the wax seals. And starting in September, I'm going to be playing with wax seals. So I got this one. I needed an extra item to make my buy one, get one frees even. So I went ahead and got this one because it had multiple flowers and multiple foliage. So it gave me a couple things to play with the wax seals that I have coming up in September. So if you've ever been interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And you can come back. Now this right here, I'm not going to open it, but this is a large package of BetterPress paper. So just wanted to show you that Spellbinders really does protect their paper when they send it to you. They make sure that it is not going to get damaged. So that is my loot for today. I hope you've had fun seeing my naughtiness. So yeah, I am going to run, but I hope you've had a beautiful day. And like I said, all the links are below if you've seen anything that tickles your fancy. And if not, I hope you have a beautiful crafty day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, friends. Bye-bye for now.